E-Tech Pro Class Tyre Detailing Gel has been formulated to add a long-lasting, non-greasy, high-gloss, wet-look finish to tyre side walls. The high-concentrate gel formula produces a protective super hydrophobic barrier. The non-fling composition prevents marking to surrounding bodywork. It allows for precise application to the area you want it without any drips or overspray, unlike aerosol products that are available. Specially developed to revitalise and enhance the appearance of any type of tyre from any era. Apply a small amount of the gel to a foam sponge applicator or a clean cloth. Wipe around the tyre sidewall in a circular motion, ensuring even coverage and avoid applying to the actual tyre tread area. Allow to soak in and dry. Drying time depends on ambient temperature. Be careful not to apply too much gel at any one time. We recommend that you initially apply 3 or 4 coats of the gel over a period of 24 hours to build up a barrier, and then reapply as and when required or after every wash. Once the E-Tech Pro Class Tyre Detailing Gel is dry, it produces a protective hydrophobic barrier that water beads off and dirt and road grime will not stick to. Pro Class Tyre Detailing Gel, part of the E-Tech Detailing and Valeting range.